Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This week we are trying to fix the Type R's headlights. So basically, I got the connector out of my headlights, got a multimeter and tested it for power or anything, see if it was getting anything, and it wasn't. So that leads me to believe that the stalk inside the car is like corroded away, the pins inside, so it's not getting a connection. So yeah, so we're changing this today and hopefully it fixes them. Always in the British weather, the sunshine did not last long. First thing you're going to want to do when trying to get these off is you're going to want to just pull this bit off. It comes off very nice and easily. And then you've got two Phillips head screwdrivers in these little holes down here. Them little holes there, there's two Phillips, and that should allow you to pull the bottom off. Once you've got the 3 screws out and there's this little one at the back, you just got to removing your steering wheel. I just removed the negative of my battery so no power's in my car, just to be sure that I'm not going to get a face full of airbag. And bottom bits off to help you when you're getting your stalks out. There's 2 plastic trims on either side of the steering wheel. They go there. That you just want to pull off. That's your airbag cable. Then you've got another one this side. And one there. So once you've got them 2 torque screws undone, you can then just pull that off, and there's all your insides. So now we're going to unplug everything and then get the airbag out. So once you've got your airbag out, you've then got this nut to tackle, which I thought was going to be a lot harder than it was. Everyone's using like ratchet guns and stuff, and I've just got a little spanner. And yeah, no, it was quite easy. So it's a 19mm, just whop that off and then just undo it. But when you're undoing it, don't take it off, leave it on a couple threads. So you're going to want to then one plugged in, and we've got this Phillips screw here all tight, which holds it onto the column. And yeah, that's getting there. So yeah, because we've got that on now, it's time to put our steering wheel back on. So you want to thread these through this little hole, get beep beep. Okay, so we've got the 19mm bolt nut done up. We got our airbag cable through. We got this cable through. So we're gonna put our airbag and horn back in now. Beep beep. Okay, so let's thread that through there. Blah de blah. Plug. Actually, first of all, let's plug this blue one back into under here, whichever. Alright, well that's the wheel, the airbag and horn, the stalks, all of that are in now. So I'm gonna go plug my battery back in and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully nothing blows up. Back in now, ignition is on, lights are on, and we still have no headlights. Yay! Why do I still have no headlights? I do not understand. What you want? So everybody, that is how you do not fix your headlights. So I just wasted my time and my money on, but I don't know how to move the steering wheel. So, all's well. So yeah, alright. Tune in every weekend for a brand new upload and more failures. See you guys later.